Hi guys, we're going to talk about Autodesk Sketchbook. It is this icon right here, and I want to tell you, I think, 3 important things about that icon. 4 important things. If you don't have that icon, you need to let me know immediately, and I will help you get it. Okay, so three important things on the screen. Your tools over here and colors over here. But these are not all the tools that you have. Click this little icon at the top and it gives you your library. And there's tons of tools to pick from. You can play with them for a little while, experiment, and see what you like, and then you can start on your drawing, unless I've told you you have to use specific tools for this. But those are all your tools that you have to work with, and I'll pick one. No. There's an eraser. That's a good one to remember. Marker. I'm going to click the marker, and over here are your colors. Okay, there are some colors here like I showed you, but this is a very limited choice. You have all the colors in the whole entire world if you click that dot. You can change your colors by sliding these white dots back and forth. You can also change colors by moving these hollow dots, these circles, around on your own. If you like the RGB way to make colors better, the colors are pretty much the same. It's just kind of which thing the computer is using to generate the colors. So I'm going to go back to that blue. Okay, so now drawing. Okay, there's a nice mark. And you can also use a stylus, like one of these, if you have a stylus, if you got one, but your finger works pretty good. Okay, say, I like those lines, but I want them bigger. I'm going to slide the top slider for size. I'm going to slide it up, and you can kind of see inside the circle that bar that's across there. That shows me which way the tip of my marker is going. So that makes a nice wide line, and see how with the wider line we can see how the color builds up by the more times you put the color over top of itself. If I want a really super skinny line, I can turn that down. I can also manipulate how much marker comes off on the paper. Oops. It's like this is like it was about 70%, and even the single mark is a little bit lighter than that one because it was turned up higher. And 100% looks like that. So it's a little bit lighter. So there are several ways you can manipulate the marks that you make depending on the tool that you choose. If you don't like something that you just did, undo is your best friend. So I can undo many times. If you want to start over by undoing everything, you can. Or you can select this little icon over here, oops, and do new sketch, create. I don't like my other one, but if you do like it and you just want to try something else, you can do save current sketch, and then it gives you a new sheet. one last thing. If your menus are in your way while you're working, you can click this icon with the box with the three sides, and that hides your menus. But then all you have to do to make it show up again, if you want new colors or a different tool, is press it again. But that gets them out of the way so you can really draw up to the very edges of your work. Okay, so those are the basics, and so play around and start on your drawing. Have fun.